Yo, what's up you guys? I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are having a great time with your friends and family and whoever you guys are with. I just wanted to take a second to share a sale with you guys that I'm having. This is not just for Black Friday, but this is gonna go all the way until Cyber Monday, starting today all the way until Monday. I just want to say a huge thank you to all you guys for being here for so long, all you guys that have supported these videos through the years, and especially you guys who are currently following me on Patreon. Thank you guys for all your support through the years. As a big thank you, I wanted to give you guys a discount on all of my VincaniTV merch. I recently switched to a new platform called Teespring, where I actually have been able to create a lot of new products using the current designs. So I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of things. I have this shirt. It's actually the same one I'm wearing. It says respect the past, represent the future, and this is one of my favorite shirts right now. There's also the crew neck version, which I also love. This shirt looks super dirty because I've had this for a long time, but there's this shirt. It's the Raw B-Boys Do Raw Things OG shirt, again done by my homie Imagine, and we have the crew neck version of that, right, which is, again, I wear this shirt like every single day. That's why it's a little bit busted right now, but definitely a comfortable shirt. It says Raw B-Boys Do Raw Things. This image actually right here is actually me. They used an image of me as reference. I wasn't wearing this hat or that belt, but they use this of me as reference. The last design that I do have on there is definitely one of my favorites. This is actually a photo that I personally took when I was camping in, and this is a message that I feel like holds true every time you dance, and it says escape from reality. This is also another message that I really think is important, because sometimes you guys need an escape from reality. Sometimes you need to, get away from it all, and I feel like dancing, for me, that's the key, right? Just dancing. As soon as music comes on, I'm moving, I escape from, whatever was bothering me in that moment. So again, if you guys want to get 30% off of any of these shirts, I also got stickers, I got coffee mugs, I got baby clothes, all this stuff. You guys can check it out on teespring.com/VincaniTV, and I'll put the link below, and use my discount code. This is what it is. It's FLAIR, right? F-L-A-R-E, FLAIR. Use the FLAIR discount, hit some flares, and I hope you guys enjoy that. Again, thank you guys for following me on this journey. It's been a number of years, and there's gonna be lots more things to come. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Happy Thanksgiving. Peace.